How to like games on Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Roblox application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Roblox account. Now once you get to your home page, navigate to that game that you would like to like on Roblox. For example, I have this game right here. After you tap on it, you will get to this game. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will get all type of information regarding this game. And then there, you will be able to see the like votes. It says 91%. Now, to like this game, all you have to do is tap on this up arrow right here. And with that, I have liked this game. But in case you are not able to like this game, make sure to visit this experience, open up the game and play for a little while. After that, you come back and then you will be able to like this game. So that's how you can like games on Roblox Mobile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.